Today I'm going to be showing you how I got my suspended Etsy account back. I'll be talking about how long it took, why I think my account got suspended, showing you the email I sent to get it back and the email I received from Etsy, and some helpful tips for Etsy sellers regarding account suspensions, especially print-on-demand sellers who might have been in the same position I was. I make videos about e-commerce strategy and finance, so if you find my type of content helpful, feel free to subscribe and leave a like on this video. The Redbubble Q&A video is coming soon. I'm just waiting for a couple more questions to collect so I can get them all done at once. Follow me on my social media to keep up to date with when I post new videos, and let's get straight into it. First of all, I'll be telling you about what happened to me. I'm a print-on-demand seller on Etsy, which means I integrate a production partner called Printful. I make the designs and they do all the printing, shipping and handling. I've linked a video below if you'd like to find out more about what print-on-demand is. Just FYI, it's absolutely 100% legal. You are allowed to do this on Etsy, but you must list your production partner. They need this information. Print-on-demand sellers can sometimes find their account suspended just for using a production partner. Initially, I didn't upload anything on Etsy for about a month after making my account, and then I slowly started adding some designs. Maximum 1 upload per day, just because I didn't have that much time, and I started seeing some sales. It was all fine up until then, and one day I decided to upload 5 designs at once on one day, and it must have triggered the algorithm the next day on Wednesday the 28th of October, because I logged into my account and I found out I'd gotten suspended and my listings were inactive. I don't have any screenshots unfortunately, but it actually wasn't that obvious. Like, it was just a white sad face on a red background in the bottom left corner of my shop manager, somewhere around here. I could have missed it pretty easily, so I saw that, I clicked on it and it said your account has been suspended. I did not get an email or notification from Etsy or anything. I just logged in and that was what I saw. Immediately after I saw this, I did 2 important things. You mustn't leave this too long. If you see this, make sure you take action as soon as possible. First, I read through the account suspension guidance, which I'll show you here, and I've also linked this down below. Also, you must read or reread Etsy's terms of use. I've linked it below as well, but I won't be reading it word for word in this video because it's quite long. But essentially, just don't sell dangerous copyrighted trademark stuff. That's going to get you sued. Make sure you pay the fees and any taxes you owe, and don't try to hack the website or abuse other customers or users. Pretty obvious stuff. This video is mainly for people selling print on demand who got suspended, or people who just don't know what they did wrong. If you know you might have violated one of these terms, then I'm afraid you might not be able to get your account back or make a new one from your IP address, but I'd recommend you get in touch with Etsy anyway, just to see what they have to say about it. Now, on the account suspension guidance page, they say it's enough just to contact support and someone will be with you. They also say that you may have received an email from Etsy letting you know, but I didn't. It's not just enough to contact support by clicking I still need help. I know that from my experience and from other Etsy sellers as well, and I'll be telling you about what else you need to do later in this video. But first, what you need to do is submit your request here. So it's a bit tricky to navigate, and I'll show you how to do that now. So from the account suspension page, make sure you read all of this and then learn more about appealing your suspension. Go to contact support at the bottom of the page, then click selling on Etsy, your Etsy account, reopening or closing your account, reopening or unsuspending your account, and then you can't click reopen your account because that's for people who have manually closed their accounts down, so click I still need help, email us, and then you'll be taken to this pretty useless box to write your message. So this is the list of things that they want to see in your message or your email, and this is the one I sent. So the subject was account suspension appeal, your shop name. This is exactly how I wrote my email. So first of all, write your shop name, obviously, state the email that you signed up to Etsy with and that you'd like to be contacted at. It's not very likely they will contact you if you only use the contact box, but just do it anyway. State you've read and haven't violated the policies to your knowledge, and if you've made any sales or gotten reviews, then mention that as well. Now, if you're using a production partner, you must mention that and name your production partner as well. I'll put this template in the description, which you can edit. Make sure you save what you write, maybe write it in a Word document first before copy and pasting that into the box, and then send that to Etsy. The next thing you must do is email integrity@etsy.com with the same message. I've linked the email address below as well. Should be the same message you put in the contact box, having mentioned all the things I just talked about. Then send it to Etsy, and the only thing you can do now is to wait. They are having some staff delays right now because of the recent sickness, so it might take a while. I got this email from Etsy Integrity on the 3rd of November, so it took 6 days for them to get back to me. Some people on Reddit said they didn't get anything back, so just log into your account a week later, and if you're unsuspended and your listings are active, then everything should be good. I guess I was pretty lucky to get this nice apology email from them. They don't seem to contact a lot of people, so I'll just read it to you and let them explain themselves. Hello, thank you for bringing your concerns about your shop status to our attention. We are experiencing an unusually high volume of emails at this time and apologise for the wait while we were looking into this matter for you. I've taken a look at your account and can see that your shop and listings are now active. If you don't see your listings, they should be searchable in the marketplace within the next 20 minutes. I'm sorry for any inconvenience you may have experienced. If you started the process of creating a shop and it's still in draft mode, you'll now be able to move forward with the creation of your shop if you like. I'd also like to provide a little more information about what occurred. We have automated systems in place to protect the safety and security of the Etsy marketplace. These systems are monitored by Etsy employees, but occasionally shops operating within our policies may be caught up in them. We are always working to improve the accuracy of these systems and to make sure this is a rare occurrence. We aren't able to share any further details, but if this reoccurs in the future, please reach out to us at integrity@etsy.com so that we can resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you for your understanding. Regards, Etsy Marketplace Integrity. So you can see from this email that the quickest way to contact Etsy is to email Integrity and not using the contact box on their website like they said. Although, as I said, it doesn't hurt to do both as soon as possible. I know this can be a really frustrating experience since they didn't even tell me my account was suspended. A lot of print-on-demand sellers have gone through this and they really need to do something about this on their website because it's automatically suspending print-on-demand sellers. I definitely think they need to put a heads up about this on their terms of service. Easy to say now I've got my account back, but just understand that it's important they have these measures in place, as they said, to catch scammers and maintain their marketplace integrity. So don't be rude or impatient in your email. I know, to be honest, I was tempted to slip in some passive aggressive shots in my email just because I have friends who've had this happen to them as well, but please don't do that. Remember, it's a privilege to sell on their marketplace. I mean, someone's essentially created a business that lets you create a business, so just keep it calm. Hopefully it goes well. As a disclaimer, I can't promise you will get your account back. This is just what I did and it worked for me. I'm not Etsy customer support either, so please don't ask me why your account got suspended or why you haven't got your account back. You need to contact Etsy directly about that. Just be polite and persistent. If you've got any issues getting in touch with them or you'd like to know a little bit more about what happened to me, then I'd be happy to answer any questions on that. Give this video a like, subscribe and comment down below if this has happened to you. Did you get your account back? Let me know. To all of you appealing your suspensions right now, good luck guys. Really hope you get your accounts back and see you in the next video.